The composite solar panel frames market is expanding as demand rises for lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and durable alternatives to conventional metal frames. But which companies are leading this rapidly evolving market? Zhenshi leads the market with 12% share, followed by Bofay and JA Solar Technology, each with 7%. Worldlight holds 6%, while VEPP accounts for 3%. Other companies collectively represent the remaining 65% of the market, indicating a fragmented competitive landscape. As demand grows for advanced composite material in solar module manufacturing, increasing adoption of lightweight and corrosion-resistant frame solution is expected to support the continued growth of the composite solar panel frames market. Markets move fast. Your decision needs to move faster. The 360iResesrch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResesrch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.